There are lots of designs for homemade auto cues available. This one is designed to be used with a webcam. So we have a thin piece of MDF, we have a hole drilled on the center line for a webcam, we have a 3.5 inch by 5 inch photo frame, which is the right size for the phone, so the phone goes under here, and the viewing takes place from this direction. Webcam goes in the middle, held in place by the screw thread from the tripod mount. Then finally at the back we can optionally put a extra phone battery to balance the whole rig so that it's evenly on the tripod. Now you can use the regular photo frame glass that you get with the frame, but what I've done is I've taken the measurements of that glass and I've ordered a special piece of autocue glass which has a coating on it from a company called Vacuum Coatings Limited in London, and they have sent it to me in the mail, and I've fitted it into the frame with a little piece of cardboard to accommodate the glass because it's thinner than the photo frame glass. This company can supply different thicknesses. I chose the 1.3mm coated autocue glass, the thinnest available, for the minimum distortion. This also works with DSLR, but you have to put some sort of lock nut in place of the webcam to stop the whole thing toppling over. So just a quick word about vignette, or the border that's around the image. You want to make sure that your frame of choice is large enough for the angle of your webcam. So in my case I'm using a Logitech C920C and the angle of the lens is 78 degrees from side to side. If I had any wider angle lens, then I would certainly be seeing the frame in the picture. There is a zoom facility on these webcams, but it only zooms a little bit, so it's best to check with your frame and your glass before you go and order that special autocue glass to make sure it's going to be large enough for your lens. So here's the finished teleprompter or autocue. Underneath you can see a ball head that's been made from the top of a cheap phone tripod, adapted to fit onto a boom microphone stand. So I can position it at any height. And you can see that the webcam just snugly fits into the recess at the bottom of the photo frame. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I have the black fabric over the top, just taped down. And I've left enough slack in the fabric to put a DSLR in place of the webcam if I need to. Thanks very much to Terry of Vacuum Coatings Limited for his help sourcing the right kind of glass.